About Supreme Audit Institution. They are public oversight institutions responsible for the audit of government revenue and expenditure. They are a critical link in a country's accountability chain. By scrutinizing public financial management and reporting, they provide assurance that resources are used as prescribed. Most SAIs derive their mandate from the Constitution and or legislation. Supreme Audit Institution undertakes financial audits of organization, accounting procedures and financial statements and compliance audits, reviewing the legality of transactions made by the audited body. They also conduct performance audits to scrutinize the efficiency, effectiveness or economy of government's undertaking. The independence of the SAI from the executive bodies it audits is fundamental to its role in including governments to account and building trust between the organs of the state and society. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India (CAG) and the Indian Audit and Account Department (IAAD) functioning under him constitute the SAI of India. Nearly every SAI from a United Nations member country is a member of the International Organization of Supreme Audit Institution. Key facts about International Organization of Supreme Audit Institution. It is a voluntary, non-political organization that works to promote auditing standards, good governance of SAIs and SAI independence among other work. The International Organization of Supreme Audit Institution was founded in 1953 and has grown from the original 34 countries to a membership of over 192 Supreme Auditing Institutions. It operates as an umbrella organization for the external government audit community. International Organization of Supreme Audit Institution has numerous committees and working groups which examine issues of particular relevance to SAIs, such as developing professional standards for public sector auditing, knowledge sharing and capacity building. It has a special consultative status with the Economic and Social Council of the United Nations. Structure. The International Congress of Supreme Audit Institutions is the supreme organ of international and is composed of all the members on a triennial basis. It holds regular meetings which is chaired by the hosting SAI. International Organization of Supreme Auditing Institutions governing body meets annually to provide strategy, leadership, stewardship and continuity of International Organization of Supreme Authority Institution activities between I and COSAI. The CAG of India is member of the governing board of the International Organization of Supreme Auditing Institution. What is auditing? An audit is the examination of the financial report of an organization as presented in the annual report by someone independent of that organization. The financial report includes a balance sheet, an income statement, a statement of changes in equity, a cash flow statement, and notes comprising a summary of significant accounting policies and other explanatory notes.